Haji Mujahid is one of the early mujahideen of this region who took up armed jihad against the occupiers. And this is the area where the mujahideen, under the leadership of the mujahid, blew up an occupier's tank with a bomb, causing significant casualties.
I came with my friends, and we were sitting in this area. There were old rocks here, placed by the people long ago. My friends sat down in this place. In this area, a bomb had been planted, and the American forces passed through. It was a very large force or convoy, and the traces of it are still visible. Here, they hit a tank with a bomb, and look, the signs and traces are still here. One of them is a small tank, and the other is a large American tank, and these are the marks of the American tank. The glass is from the tank, which was burned here. The bomb had been placed here in this spot. In front of you, you can see this trench in this area. I was here with my friends, and the bomb was placed here by them. May Allah not bring us to harm. Almighty Allah gave great losses to that force, and their morale was broken here. The plan they had in Shamakat was completely disrupted. At night, around 11 o'clock, a bomb exploded on the American tank.